Hello everyone, my name is Rani Budbaure and today's video topic is static keyword in Java. So today we will discuss about static keyword. Static keyword is in Java used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variable, method, block and nested classes. The static keyword belong to the classes than an instant of a class. Uh, Static keyword, first one is variable, second is method, third is block and fourth one is nested class. So first is variable. So Java static variable, the static variable can be used to refer to the common property of all object. For example, the company name of employee, class, college name of student, etc. The variable get memory only once in the class area at the time of class is loading. Then advantages of static keyword, it makes your program memory efficient, then save memory. Then second one is static in static keywords, in static keyword in uh, static keywords in methods. Then static keywords methods belongs to the class rather than object or class. The static keyword method can be without the need of creating any instance of class. Then static method can access static data memory, data members and can change the value of its. Then a static for example, static method, we perform we create one class, class object, class, some this class, some variables are declared and some methods are created such that this class create a method. Then some method is static. So object is not required to call static memory.